Hi everyone, welcome to Maths video class 6th. We are on chapter 8 and last video you must have seen prime numbers. What are prime numbers? Prime numbers are the natural numbers which have 1 and the number itself as its factors. Okay, so let us see. To be more clear, note this was left last time. 1 is not a prime number as it has only one factor, which is 1 itself. Now, 1 is not a prime number. Why? Because it has only one factor, which is 1 itself. According to our rule of prime numbers, what is important? It should have two factors, one, and the other is the number itself. So here only 1 is there, but other number is not there. It cannot be there. So 1 is not a prime number. Then 7 is a prime number as it has only two factors, 1 and 7. Okay, so the numbers which have only two factors, the 1 and the number itself, they are prime numbers. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17. All these numbers, if you will see, they have 1 and the number itself as a factor. 10 is not a prime number. Why 10 is not a prime number? Because 10 has factors as 1, 2, 5 and 10. Means there are 4 factors which are not allowed in prime numbers. In prime numbers only 2 factors are allowed. Okay. So every natural number that has more than 2 factors is called a composite number. Now, what are composite number? Composite number are opposite of prime numbers. In prime numbers, we need only two factors, 1 and the number itself. In composite numbers, we need more than two factors. Okay, for example, 10 here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 has 4 factors. So we say that 10 is a composite number. Similarly, if you will see 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, all these numbers, all these natural numbers have more than two factors. So we say that these are composite numbers. Okay. And even every even number greater than 2 is a composite number. Every even number greater than 2 is a composite number, but 2 is not a composite number. 2 is the only even prime number. Okay. Next we are going to see sieve of Eratosthenes. Means what? Sieve means sieve means chalni, like chai ki chalni, then grain chalni or grain sieve. Okay. So Eratosthenes, a Greek scholar, used the following method to distinguish prime numbers from among the natural numbers. For this reason, this method is known as sieve of Eratosthenes. Okay. Now, what you have to do first is you have to write 1 to 100. 1 to 100. You can see the way horizontally 1, 2, 3, 4. Even if you write vertically, no issues. Then the one, if you can see, which are circled in green or shaded by green, are all prime numbers. Now how prime numbers are found, that we will see. You know that 1 is not a prime number, so we have cut it. 2 is there, so we have circled. 3 is a prime number, so we have circled. 4 is not a prime number. Why? Now 4 is divisible by 2, so cut 4. Then 6, 8. So you can see what you will do first is circle 2. Why? 2 is a prime number, and cut out all the numbers which are divisible by 2. Cut out all the numbers which are divisible by 2 or which comes in 2's table. So 4 comes in 2's table, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So tables never stop up to 10. 2 10s are 20, 2 11s are 22, 2 12s are 24, 2 13s are 26, 2 14s are 28, 2 15s are 30, 2 16s are 32, 2 17s are 34, 2 18s are 36, 2 19s are 38, 2 20s are 40. Similarly, you have to cancel 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, 60, 62, 64, 66, 68, 70, 72, 74, 76, 78, 80, 82, 84, 86, 80, 88, 80, 80, 88, 90, 92, 94, 96, 98 and 100. Okay, all these numbers which I have said are divisible by 2 because they are all even numbers and even numbers are divisible by 2. Okay, even numbers means which have 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in their ones place. Now next is 3. Now cut out the numbers which are completely divisible by 3. So which is that? 6, 9, 12 is already cut because of 2, 15, 18, 18 is already cut because of 2, then 21, 24, 24 is already cut because of 2, then 27, 30, 33, 36 is already cut, 39, 42, 45. So like this, whichever numbers are divisible by 3, you have to cut them. And after this, after cutting the numbers which are divisible by 2 and which are divisible by 3, what will be left is all these green numbers. All these green shaded numbers. You can see here. So after 2, 3, then you have to do it for 5. Okay, you have to do it for 5 because 5 is the next prime number. So 2's the number which are completely divisible by 2 we have cut down. The number which are completely divisible by 3 we have cut down. Then the number which are completely divisible by 5 we should cut down. The number which are completely divisible by 7 we should cut down, and the number which are left after cutting all these numbers are known as prime numbers. Okay, so you can see here all these green shaded are prime numbers. You can see 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89 and 97. These are all prime numbers. Okay, so see, this is not going to come in the exam, so nothing to worry, but you should understand what is sieve of Eratosthenes, okay, for finding out prime numbers. So cut out all the numbers which come in 2's table or which are divisible by 2. Second, cut out all the numbers which come in 3's table or all the numbers which are divisible by 3. Same rule you follow for all the prime numbers. Okay, so that's only the sieve of Eratosthenes. Now next is prime factors. Now prime factors of 24. This is an example. Now factors of 24. If you find out factors of 24, they will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. Means what? These all numbers can divide 24 completely. Like 2 12s are 24, 3 8s are 24, 4 6s are, 6 4s are, 8 3s are, 12 2s are, 24 1s are. Means what? This 24 is getting divided by all these numbers. Okay, 24 is getting divided by all these numbers. So, but out of this, which are the prime numbers? Out of this, 2 and 3 are the prime numbers. 2 and 3 are the prime numbers. Okay. So, in other words, we write f of 24 is this. Means factors. If you find out factors, they are this. But PF, prime factors of 24 are 2 and 3 only. So factors are all and prime factors are 2 and 3 only. Okay, that's the difference. Now we'll see exercise 8a. Question number 1. Write all the factors of 15, 55, 48, 36. Okay, we are on exercise 8a. Question number 1. Write all the factors of 15. So let us see. Exercise 8a. Write all the factors of 15. So let's start how to find out. I'll tell you the method. 1 15s are, see, 1 and the number itself will be always factor. Remember this thing. So 1 15s are 15. Then does it come in 2's table? No. So avoid, ignore 2. Then 3. 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. Right? So you can see, then after 3 it won't come in 4's table. So we have ignored 4. We have to not include 4. Then 5. 1 15s are 2. 2's table 15 doesn't come, or 15 is not divisible by 2 because 15 is an odd number. Then 3 is there. 4 is not there because 4 doesn't divide 15 completely. Then 5 is there. 6 is not there. 7 is not there. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15 is there. So we have to go forming U. So 1, what are the factors of 15? 1, 3, 5 and 15. 1, 3, 5 and 15. Okay. Let's see second one, 55. 1 55s are 55. So 1 and 55 are factors, no doubt. But after 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 is a factor, but 2, 3, 4 cannot divide 55 completely. So 2, 3, 4 are not to be written. Then directly 5, 5 11s are 55. Then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 also do not divide 55 completely. So after 10, 11 comes. So 11 5s are 55. So, and 12, 13, 14, 15 up to this 55 doesn't come in any other table. So which are the factors of 55? 1, 5, 11, 55. 1, 5, 11, 55. I have written it. Okay. Now 48. 48 has many factors, you can see. 1 48s are 48. 2 into 24, 48. By 48 divided by 2 gives 24. 48 divided by 3 gives 16. But to avoid all this confusion, you can do 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. 3 16s are 48, 4 12s are 48, 6 8s are 48. So you will say how to find this 24, 16. So you know it very well that 48 divided by 2. So 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are, so 24. Like that you should find. Okay. Or 4 1s are 4, 2s are 8. So 12. 6 8s are 48. So you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24, 48. All are factors of 48. Okay. So I'll give 4th and 5th as homework. I have solved it, but you can solve it, please. I see this 4th and okay, you can see this. Okay, so we will meet soon in the next video. Till that time, take care. Thank you so much.